In company news, Exxaro Resources has reported a strong first half performance for 2025, with revenue up 8% to 20.6 billion rand and EBITDA rising 10% to 5.6 billion rand, now driven mainly by solid coal sales. The group achieved a 96% price realization despite softer commodity markets, pushing headline earnings per share up 13% to 17.24 rand. Furthermore, Exxaro declared a dividend of 8.43 rand per share, its 45th in a row since listing in 2026. Meanwhile, the company credits operational efficiency and strong marketing for its resilience. Now, analyst Zimelo Mbanjwa unpacks the results.
So, Exxaro released their interim results for the period ended 30th of June 2025. Now, these results were very well received by the market. In fact, the share price was up some 10% towards afternoon trading. And the performance was ultimately underpinned by strong price realizations in coal, even though prices are lower year on year. However, relative to the benchmark, the coal price realization was pretty good. The group also increased production and sales, particularly export sales were up around 3%, and domestic sales were also up, I think, around 1% alongside production. And this was able to support the strong revenue contribution from the coal assets. Energy was also a very strong performer. Revenue was up there as well, albeit somewhat moderate compared to the coal. However, generation was very stable. I think availability was around 96 to 98%, energy availability that is. And the margins of the coal business, the energy business are very strong in general, around 80% EBITDA margin. Group margins are stable at 27%. Headline earnings per share grew around 13%. EBITDA grew around 10%, which was tracked by the growth in cash flow generation. Now, Exxaro is investing towards a more diversified future, where they're investing in green materials as well as energy projects, which I think makes for a compelling outlook